Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Today I have my good friend Maritsa here with me, and today we are going to do a levitation photo shoot. So levitation. Maritsa, you want to tell us what is levitation?
Levitation is basically suspension. So we're going to do a shoot where I will be floating in the air and we'll have other items like the popcorn in the background floating in the air so there's no gravity.
Alright, so you ready?
Yes.
Alright, so let's go do this. For this video, we wanted something quick and simple. So we just had a few items from around the room suspended from the ceiling, carefully using fishing line. Making sure your model is safe should be your first priority. I usually do the testing first to make sure things are sturdy before letting my model step in. Be patient. Rushing will only make your model nervous, giving them time and space to find their groove before shooting. Before shooting, make sure your camera is on a sturdy tripod. It's important for us to get these 3 shots so that our images line up correctly when we bring them into Photoshop. Once you're happy with your first shot, we can move on to the next 2. The second one without the stool, and the third without the props, leaving only the background. Don't move the camera or tripod before securing all of your shots. Let's take it on over to Photoshop, where we will be using our masking technique.
Okay guys, well there you have it, the final image. I hope you liked it. You could always leave me a comment. Let me know if you like Maritsa, if you have a question for her, a comment. You'll probably have more comments for her than me, but that's okay. And yeah.
Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and do more of what makes you happy.
Yes. Most important. Yes. Start yet. Good enough.